In the course Writing in Plain Language Part 1, you learned the definition of plain language, as well as techniques known as bluff and signposting, how to write shorter sentences, how to use the readability tool in Microsoft Word, how to use active voice, how to avoid long, formal, old-timey words, and the importance of calling something by the same name throughout your document. In this course, you'll learn how to discover and document who your audience is so that you can use their language, how to understand and define the purpose of your document or your web copy so you can use proper emphasis, the grammar and style rules for bullets, and how to write plain language paragraphs.
Why are these techniques really important at work?
Well, I'll list a few reasons that they are important. The first one is that plain writing and plain language can lead to a safer workplace. And I'll tell a story about a document to illustrate that. Let's say a safety inspector is going to inspect a trucking company, and they find problems with the company that they want to report. But they also find that the owner of the company is menacing, and they believe that in the future all inspections should be done with a police officer accompanying the inspector. Plain writing tells you that that fact that the police officer should go should be emphasized. It should be put at the front of the document, bottom line up front. It's an important instruction for the reader. And so when you emphasize that, you are writing it in plain writing. You're not burying something important, and that can lead to improved safety. Plain writing can create a culture that is more positive in the workplace because plain writing serves the reader. So you can see that if all the employees of a company are trying to serve each other, they're not trying to sort of puff themselves up by making their documents more involved than they have to, but rather they're concentrating on the reader's needs, that creates a more positive culture. And that can have the ripple effect of enabling the organization to achieve its mission more easily.
That makes a lot of sense. Can you explain a little bit more about how my writing can serve one of my coworkers?
Absolutely. Let's move on to talk specifically about word choice.